Good morning. This is Dhesi Market Memo, Markets Simplified. Today is about big swings, a firmer dollar overnight, and gold doing most of the talking. Three things from the board. First, gold. It has swung about 6% since 8 a.m. London yesterday, and that is not a small move. Positioning is jumpy. Second, FX. Aussie versus US dollar has moved about 1% since 8 a.m. London yesterday. The Aussie is a risk barometer. It moves early when growth confidence fades. Third, US equities. S&P 500 has moved about 0.9% since 8 a.m. London yesterday. Not dramatic, but it's still headline sensitive. Now the glue. The rate story is still about timing and confidence in the rates path. Commentary is centred on whether more cuts come later this year and not anything immediate. Since 6 p.m. London, the dollar has been a bit firmer, euro around 1.19, sterling 138, dollar yen near 154. Oil is not the main story today, but it matters for inflation narratives. Credit is also calm, with US investment grade around 0.7%, high yield 2.7%. Crypto is also softer, Ether down 7% since 8 a.m. London yesterday, and Bitcoin is around 83,000. Two practical points for anyone running currency or funding exposure. One, when gold and crypto swing, do not assume FX stays quiet. If you are rolling hedges in decent size, split the execution. Two, stress test your budgets with a firmer dollar and a couple of ugly risk days. Then decide what to lock and what to keep flexible. And then finally coming to a what to watch for today. Europe and UK first. At 8 a.m. London, the ECB board member Pedro Machado speaks in Lisbon. Even without a published text, any headlines can nudge short-dated euro rates and also the euro. At 9:30 a.m. London, the Bank of England releases money and credit and effective interest rates for December, and that is your read on how policy is feeding through into borrowing, deposits and credit growth. US data is at 1:30 London with employment cost index and also core PPI. Also at 5:30 London, the ECB Supervisory Chair Claudia Bush also speaks. One forward marker for you, China's official PMI is due over the weekend, so Friday positioning into the close can still react to that risk. That is Dhesi Market Memo. If this saved you time, please do subscribe and comment the one level that you're watching today.